Alright, gonna do a cold start. Powerstroke. Uh-oh. Temperature gauge is messed up again. Yeah, temperature gauge wire came off again. Certainly smoking. Certainly smoking. But archoil still doing its job. Yeah, it always smokes like that in the winter. Look how smooth the engine is with the archoil. Look at that. Keep that battery charger on there, but it's not plugged in or anything. You can see it's, oh shit, I just slammed the hood and I just cracked that. Look at that. Ah, fuck. So freaking cold out here. Ah, now I'm pissed off, boys. Alright, how about giving me a thumbs up for me cracking my freaking bug deflector? Look, now the gauge went down. See? I just wanted to show you real quick the RPMs, they went up now. Yeah, it does it automatically. If you got a Powerstroke, you know. You hear it? Reload it. Hear it? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go pick up a 98 F-150 today. You know, a little short truck to get around in. Put my dash cam on here. Alright, let this sucker run, warm up for about an hour. Take it easy.